Hello everyone, Valentine Ose here for Graded Picture Playground. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. In this tutorial, I want to show you how I keyed out the green background and placed it in a different background, just as you saw at the beginning of this tutorial. Let's pick the clip into our timeline. This is the original clip. This footage is downloaded from pieces.com. It's a website where you can download footages and images to use in any kind of project. They are all royalty free. So if you look at this green screen, it's not extremely green that it will be easier for us to key, but I'm going to key it out to have a perfect result. These are some of the challenges you may come across. What you need to do is to come to your effects and search for ultra key. This is the ultra key. You go to your effects, you go to video effects. Under keying, you will find the ultra key there. So this is you pick the ultra key and place it just as I did. You come to pick this eyedropper and you click on the green spot, and this is it. So when you look at it, it's not looking nice because it's not properly keyed out. So which is why we have to correct those errors by making sure that everything is well keyed and before we place the background. Come to alpha channel. So this alpha channel is for you to see the black and white. All we need to do now is to remove these whites that are spilled on the background. When you key out your green, the background is supposed to be black while your subject remains white once it's on the alpha channel. To get this corrected, you come to your mate generation. Then under the mate generation, you have your pedestal. Pop it up to as far as it goes. This is it. So let's take it to 100. So you see that everything on that background is keyed out, and the subject which you're seeing as white is the subject, while the background is the initial green screen that we keyed out. So when you come back to composite, you see that it looks extremely fine. So let's play through. So when you play now, this is it. This is the image. So we've keyed the background out and we are having a clean key. This is how you make your adjustment, especially when your green screen is not properly lighted and is not extremely green, to just pick it out instantly. So the next thing now is to come to our project and we pick the image. This is it. So we extend it. It's a still photo. When placing your subjects on any background, ensure that your subject blends with that background. That is what makes it look natural and depict the exact result that you need to get. We need to scale this to the frame size. So you right click and come to set frame. So you see this image is not as wide as the frame itself. So you come to your scale, then this is it. We'll scale it up to size. And you come to your subject. The next thing we need to do is to move it to our right hand side so that it will not be extremely close to the light. So let it be that the light is the source that is giving him that look that you're seeing on the face that looks bright. So all we need to do is to come to the position and we push it by popping it up to one. We pop it up to 132. This should be fine. So let's play. It's nice. As you can see already, we've keyed it out. We've placed it on the background. If you want to now work on the color by kind of tuning it to have separate color, it's now left for you to go to your color correction. You do your color correction. Then if you want to grade the picture, you can now go ahead and do your color grading. this is how you do the minor key in. This is the basic of keying subject out from your green screen and placing them in the background that you want it to be. You see, this lighting now reflects on its body, so anyone who sees it will instantly believe that it was actually shot on this background. I hope you understood the basic. As time goes by, we'll be doing further tutorials like how to color grade footages like this to ensure that it blends with the background perfectly and give you a desired result. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. See you in our next tutorial.